Hi, welcome to Scrap and Rabbit. This is Christine. It's been a while since I've posted a video, but I started working in my craft room again. I was gifted some books that are over 100 years old. These are Dickens novels, and they were published by a company that closed shop in 1914, so these are they're over 100 years old, and they're in fairly good condition. The pages are quite yellowed, but I think it just really sort of adds to the look of the pages, and I decided to create some journals with some of these books. I've made 4 of them, and one was titled Old Curiosity Shop. The other one is Great Expectations, Little Dorrit, and Our Mutual Friend. These are all by Dickens. So I'm going to post these in my Etsy shop. So I'm going to do a video of each one. But for this video, I'm just going to show this one. A quick run through. Each journal comes with a little paper clip, and I made this using some vintage jewelry. And here's another one. This was made with a large dangling earring. And another one. 2 of these are, well, first off, 2 of them have a removable elastic to hold the book closed. This one and this one. And the other 2 have a ribbon closure. Now this one has the pages stitched in. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 signatures stitched in. There's quite a bit of paper, and it's a variety of paper. And this one has a removable pages. So there are 6 elastics that you can slide these pages through, and the whole signature can be pulled out. So that way you can add pages or whatever you like in the book. I'm going to start with this one, and then I'll do a video on the other ones so that people who are interested in purchasing them from my Etsy shop will see what they look like. So this is the Old Curiosity Shop. I repaired these books. Some of them had were quite weak around the spine area. So like for example, this one here, the spine is quite soft because they're so old. I removed the spine, and then I put a new chipboard spine in there and attached it together. But when I removed the spine, I kept the spine covering. I just carefully cut it out, separated it from the original spine, and then I glued it back after I strengthened the spine on the book. So I still have the old image on there. So here's the inside. I put all of the images that were in each of the books are included in the journal. So this was one of the images in this one. And I've got some tea-stained pages. There's another image. And some different types of papers. I've got some scrapbook paper in there as well. So the papers are, it's just a variety of different papers I had. So I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but I'm just going to show the images for for each of the books. There's another one. They're kind of cool. And the pages are yellowed, but they're still in pretty good shape for being over 100 years old. This is a little bookmark that's in this one. And also I'm going to include some of the book pages in there so that you can use them to make little mini envelopes that you can tuck throughout if you like with the antique pages. I will include a link to my Etsy shop if anybody is interested in purchasing this journal. Have a nice day, happy crafting, and have a great weekend. Bye.